In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal address. We'll walk through where to find the email address that's linked to your PayPal account and where to see the physical billing address that PayPal has on file for you. This is really useful if you're getting paid by someone, setting up online payments, or you just want to make sure your details are up to date. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Sign into your account with your usual login details. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll land on your PayPal dashboard, sometimes called the account summary page. This is the main screen where you can see your balance, recent activity, and any linked cards or bank accounts. From here, you need to go into your settings. Look towards the top right-hand corner of the page. You should see a small gear icon, usually right next to the logout option. That gear icon is your settings button. Click on it. This will open up your account settings page where you can manage your personal information, security options, and more. On the settings page, PayPal organizes your information into different sections. One of the key sections you'll see is called emails. Under this email section, you'll find the email addresses that are linked to your PayPal account. The primary email address shown here is usually the one people can use to send you money, and it's also where PayPal sends important notifications. Take a moment to check that this email address is spelled correctly and that it's an email you still have access to. If you use PayPal to receive payments, this is the address you'll often share with clients or friends, so it's important that it's accurate and active. Now, scroll a little further down the same settings page until you find the section labeled Addresses. Under Addresses, you'll see the billing address PayPal has on file for you. This is typically the address that's linked to your card or bank account. It may be used for things like billing details on purchases and sometimes for verifying your identity. Make sure this address matches your current home or business address, depending on how you use PayPal. If you've moved recently or your billing information has changed, this is where you should check that everything is correct. And that's it. By going to your dashboard, opening the settings with the gear icon, and reviewing the emails and addresses sections, you can easily